What's up, guys? Jeff Adamski here, and today I'm gonna show you a neat little SketchUp program called Draw.io. Now, Draw.io is actually a Google based online drawing application that you can actually collaborate with other users. So it gives you these options if you want to import from Google Drive, device, or anything. We can figure that out later. And then you come to this template, and from this template you have a bunch of different shapes and things that you can choose from. So let's go straight into how to use it. So you have file, edit, arrange, extras, and help. It's simple. You drag and drop whatever objects you want, and then you can fill in the color, the text, arrange them however you want. If you need the canvas to get larger, you could drag it over to the left, to the right, and it dynamically gets larger when you add more objects, as you can see here. Now, what's different about Draw.io is that you can collaborate with other users simultaneously at the same time. So you're actually able to share it like a Google Drive project and have multiple people collaborate on it at the same time. So to do that is you save it in your Google Drive and you can actually export it and share the project file. Now, another neat thing about Draw.io is it has a lot of features that some other programs may not have. For example, you have UML diagrams, entity relation diagrams. It has a bunch of templates for you to choose from, flowchart, arrows, you name it. It probably has it. So enough about that. It's quite a simple application to use. It's a drag and drop system type of application. So I'm gonna do a quick SketchUp of how to do a template for a Android screen. So to do that, you go down here. In the bottom left, there's more shapes, and then you can select if you want Android, iOS, mockups, and then you're actually able to select even electrical floor plans, everything, AWS, Cisco, networking. And now we're able to go down to Android. And it's going to take some time to load all the instances. But as you see here, we have different templates that we could use to make it for a device. So let's make a template for a Android phone. So drag it over here, a bit larger. Now we can select a navigation bar. And let's do a time picker. Can have a progress bar. It's quite simple actually. It's a drag and drop process. And then once you're done using the application and making a simple UI template, you're actually able to go and save it locally, or like I said, you can save it to your Google Drive. Now there's a bunch of other features. For example, you can create multiple pages, have multiple things in the same document. You are able to change the grid layout if you don't want the grid, edit the data, edit the paper size, play around with a bunch of the containers, the arrows, the texts, navigation. It's quite simple to do text. You just click the text box and it brings it up, and you simply drag and drop it. And can do something like that. So this is a pretty basic and simple mockup application. Again, it's called Draw.io. I'll leave a link to it in the video description, and I will catch you next time.